So I have the rainbow balloons. Today I have white, rainbow, and this kind of color, and pink, and I have these ones. So I don't have much of these, so, and we have these also. It's really hard to open. Okay. We are just going to open this. Okay. Make one for my friend today, Jada. It's like jumpy too. Just be careful. If you have a baby around in the house, make sure you have to do in a different room because maybe the baby goes in somewhere the baby can't find you. So go somewhere that the baby can't find you, okay? Guys? Because if you have a 1-year-old and she or he is walking around the house, you have to be careful. Okay? Because we have a baby in the house. So, see, we have a lot. I'll cut this. Oh, it's already opened. Oh yeah, it's already opened. So I think she likes red and pink. So, yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna do pink and purple. So you just put the other rubber band under, and you do another one if it's gonna be a pattern. Yeah, that's a different pink. You should watch out because there's a lot of pinks in here. We are just gonna do this pink. See, it's not the same color though. So, see, pretty. There's all different kind of colors in here. So. See? See? So perfect. You should have a parent to help you. This is really hard if you have this one. You have to buy another pack because those ones are like C shapes. Okay? See? And bye, guys!